guys, it's Brie Marie and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So for today's video, if you can't already tell by the title of this video, we are doing my fall favorites. I'm so excited because I've been dying to do this video for a really long time. And I've been waiting for falls to come around. So I'm very excited that this video is finally here. And I get to share with you guys some of my fall favorites. And then at the end of this video, I have a surprise for you guys. So first, before we get into this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on your post notifications so that you guys are notified every single time that I post here on YouTube. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So if you guys are excited to see my favorite fall items, then go ahead and keep on watching. So first things first, I love to get cute bags for fall, okay? Preferably black purses are my favorite for the fall time. Melly Bianco was actually kind enough to send me this bag and I love it. I think that this is like a perfect fall bag, but you could actually use this bag all year round, but I feel like this bag would be perfect for fall and winter season. So I'm definitely excited to use this bag this fall. I love it. One, it's black. Two, it has zippers inside and it looks like it has like a lot of room. And my thing right now is not like big tote bags or anything like that. I love like a cute fanny pack or a crossbody bag that you can just throw on your shoulder and go. These kind of bags are definitely a staple for the fall season for me. And again, you can use them all year round. So if you buy it for the fall time, you can use it all year. So it's not just for fall. So that's nice. So next, I love anything pumpkin spice. If you don't know me, now you know. I love anything pumpkin spice, anything coffee for the fall season. Any coffee, I love coffee all year round, but especially, I don't know what it is. During the fall season, I love to be all cuddly, all like pastries. That's why everybody gains weight at the end of the year, is because one, I swear fall gets to you. I love coffee, hot chocolate, pastries during the fall season. During the year, forget it. I don't eat any of that crap. I drink coffee all year round, but not pastries like that. I'm not a big fan of pastries, but something about the fall season, coffee and pastries, yes. So to go with the coffees and pastries, I love to get a fresh new mug for fall. So what's better than having coffee and pastries with a nice cute fall mug? I love mugs, okay? So I found this one at TJ Maxx and this is what it looks like, and it says I love fall. I love that. It's super simple, super cute. It's a big mug and I love it. I love it so much. So I had to pick this up and it was cheap. It was only like $3, okay? Cute mug, $3, TJ Maxx. All right, so next is anything that smells like fall, okay? So you guys probably already know what I'm gonna talk about next, and it is Bath & Body Works candles and their hand soaps. One, I feel like it's a must. So first we're gonna start off with the hand soap. So I picked up Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin hand soap for fall. Me and my mom went today actually to Bath & Body Works and we're like, oh my god. And we dropped some money. I don't have all the hand soaps with me that we got and all the candles that we got. So I'm just gonna show you guys a couple because the rest are downstairs now. I feel like going downstairs and getting them. So first is the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. This one smells so good. I gotta smell it again real quick. It doesn't really smell like cinnamon though, to me. It doesn't. Oh, let me see. Yeah, it doesn't smell like cinnamon. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. It does a little bit. But I love the way that this smells and I feel like it's like a perfect fall hand soap. Next is the Gift Things. I love this candle and I love this scent, period. Period. So yeah, I had to pick it up in this hand soap as well. Oh my god, I got it some on my nose, but it smells so good. It smells so good. I'm just trying to help you out. I love them. I think that you guys would love them too. And it gets you in the fall spirit, I promise. So next I got candles, of course. I said I was only gonna get one candle. When the heck does that ever happen? I tried. I really did. So I got leaves. I love the way leaves smell. I really wish that you guys can smell through the camera, because in the future, you guys, please somebody create scent through camera, scent through video. That'd be perfect. So it smells so good, and I feel like when you burn this candle, it's gonna smell amazing. That's just how I feel. Whenever I choose a candle, I think about how it would smell burned. Weird, but I feel like I know how it's gonna smell burned, if it's gonna smell good or not. So, oh yeah, and real quick, one nice thing about this candle is once it burns down, you can see the fire through the leaves because it's like clear. That's cute. I love it. The next candle, you guys could probably already guess, I got flannel. This is like everybody's favorite candle. It smells so good. To me, it smells like a man in a jar. It smells so good. Oh. Again, I wish that you guys can smell these candles right now and these hand soaps, because let me tell you, it smells so good. So definitely check out leaves and flannel, and then the next one I'm about to show you. So then the last one that I got is Give Thanks, and my mom picked up this one as well. She likes apple scented candles, but I like them more for like summer and spring, because to me the ones for fall that Bath and Body Works makes is still sweet, you know? So I feel like it's for summer and spring. So I'm like, it's not fall. So Give Thanks, guys. These three candles, hands down, I think are my favorite. So I like the more like fresh but fall scents. That's what I go for. So Give Thanks says it's a sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Hence, sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I just realized that it's the same thing. Did I buy it? Because this is supposed to be, but they smell different. Because this is supposed to be Give Thanks too. I probably bought the same hand soap, no wonder why. Because they smell so good. This one smells a little bit more like cleany. This one smells a little bit more like cinnamony. I feel like that's how it smells. Yeah. They're definitely the same. They are definitely the same exact hand soap. Oh my god, you know how Bath and Body Works does that, where they'll change like the wrapping, so like they'll have Give Thanks looking like this, and then they'll have Give Thanks looking like this, but then it says something totally different, but it's the same exact scent. You guys, I totally didn't realize I picked up the same exact soap, because I swear it smelled different. I wonder if they do that with the other candles that are named totally different. Curious. So yeah, for the candles, make sure that you guys check out Give Thanks, flannel, and leaves. So I really wish that you guys can smell these candles. I'm obsessed. So next is something that is kind of like, really, but it is like a scent still. The Glade, I don't know, let me go get it real quick. These Glade containers, they actually come out with fall scented things too, and these are only $1, so I love to have these in my bathroom at all times, because there's 3 of us here, me, my little brother, and my little sister, who all share bathrooms, so these definitely come in handy. So I definitely love these so much. So this one is just cozy cider sipping. So it is apple, but it has cinnamon in it, which I feel like makes it feel more like fall, you know? So I know I didn't say that I liked apple for the fall time, but I feel like since it has cinnamon, it makes it feel like fall. And versus the candles in Bath and Body Works, they smell more sweet, so it makes it feel more like summer and spring. Makes sense? I definitely recommend these. They have another one that smells really good. I forgot what it's called. Cashmere Woods, something like that. But they're only $1 at Walmart. Okay, so then last thing that I have to show you guys is a comfy cozy blanket. I love comfy cozy blankets for the fall time. I got this one at TJ Maxx. So like TJ Maxx and HomeGoods, they'll like come out with like fall colored blankets during the fall season. During the fall time, they come out with like orange and like that mustard yellow shade blankets, and I just love it. And I think it's perfect for the fall time. So, you know, time to get cozy by campfire when it starts to get a little bit cooler out. I think it's super cute to have a nice fall festive cozy blanket on hand. One more thing before we end this video is music. Oh my gosh, music gets me in the fall vibes. So 2 artists specifically that I can think of off the top of my head that gives me fall vibes is Jhené Aiko and Drake. So Jhené Aiko's Sail Out album, is that what it's called? I can't remember right off the top of my head right now. Is Sail Out or Sailed Out? It's one of those. So her Sailed Out album, and that's my favorite like fall music right there, because I think it's because when her songs were really popular, it came out during fall, so it reminded me of fall, because that's when I really listened to it, and I was going through the fall months, so that's why it reminded me of fall. So I think that's why it gets me in that mood. I'm like, oh my god, this reminds me of fall. So definitely Jhené Aiko, and same thing with Drake's Nothing Was the Same album that came out during the fall season. So definitely gives me fall vibes. I was obsessed with that whole album during the fall season. So that's definitely why. I don't know if you guys have fall favorite music. Drop them down below. I would love to give it a listen and see if like I get fall vibes, even though I may not have listened to it during the fall, but I definitely get fall vibes from these 2 specific albums. Yeah, so this video was just kind of like fall things and scents and things that give me like fall vibes. So that is it for all my fall favorites. So before we end this video, I also wanted to share with you guys your surprise. So the surprise is that I am going to be hosting a fall favorites giveaway. So basically you guys are going to be getting all my fall favorites except for the purse, because I got that one for free, but I just wanted to share that one with you. So I'm going to be hosting a fall favorites giveaway. So what you guys will be winning is 1 Bath & Body Works candle in flannel. Then you guys will get 1 hand soap in sweet cinnamon pumpkin. And then you guys will get a cute I Love Fall mug. I got one for me and one for you. And a $25 Starbucks gift card. So you guys will get that inside of your mug. I wanted to add coffee in this, so I thought Starbucks would be a really cute way to add coffee along with the mug. So then, and pastries, because you guys know I love my pastries during fall. And then you guys will be receiving a cute, cozy fall festive blanket. So you guys will be getting the same exact one. And then I got one for me and one for you. So everything that I got is one for me and one for you. And then also I wanted to add some beauty products in here, because who doesn't love beauty products? So you guys will be receiving a Too Faced little goodie bag. So what comes inside is a Too Faced melted chocolate lipstick, liquid lipstick in the shade Chocolate Honey, and it's just this perfect brown shade. It kind of reminds me of like this shade, if it's that light. I didn't open it to like look at it or anything, but I thought a brown shade would be perfect for the fall time, along with a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I thought that was a really cute little bundle to include into this giveaway. Definitely gives me fall vibes, because I love mascara during the fall and I love a brown lip during the fall season. So if you guys would like to win all of these items and get into the fall spirit with me, all you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. So hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on your post notifications, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And once you are done with all of those rules, make sure you comment down below when you are done and leave a nice sweet comment down below. So that is it. That's all you guys have to do in order to enter this giveaway. So with that being said, thank you guys again so much for watching. If you guys would like to win this giveaway, then don't forget to enter and subscribe and turn on your post notifications and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!